Alright, so ngayon guys, papakita ko sa inyo kung paano mapapalabas yung reaction or number of reactions sa isang post. Because currently naka-hide, diba? Biglang na-hide siya sa Facebook. As you can see, wala kang makikita number of reactions. So, kung political yung post, hindi mo makikita kung ano yung totoong boses ng taong bayan. Kung natatawa ba sila sa post or sinusuportahan nila or whatever. So all you have to do is go to Facebook settings. Yan. And then hanapin nyo yung hanapin nyo yung settings muna. Then once nasa settings na kayo, hanapin nyo yung reaction preference. And then currently bigla siya naka-on. Yung it says the other people's post and reels, you will not see yung reactions. It says hide number of reactions. So all you have to do is toggle that off. So i-off nyo lang. Go back to Facebook. Still naka-hide pero you just have to close Facebook and reopen it. And then if you check on the post number of reactions, it's now showing. So I'm not sure what happened. Probably Facebook automatically hides all the reactions without our permission, because suddenly it's all hidden from us. So that's what you need to do, guys, to view how many reactions are there in one post or particular post. So you can share this video, guys, to all the people or to your friends and relatives para maging aware din sila. So, yun lang.